Dealing with stubborn carpet stains? In this video, we're sharing the best carpet stain removers that work like a pro. From pet accidents to everyday messes like mud and food spills, these cleaners can tackle it all and leave your carpets looking fresh. Forget hiring support. Get the right product and achieve results quickly. Find all the products mentioned in the description below. Click through to pick the best one for your needs. ROCCO and ROXIE Oxy Stain Remover. ROCCO and ROXIE's Oxy Stain Remover is a tough, oxygen-powered formula designed for the most challenging stains. While it's fragrance-free, it more than makes up for it with powerful stain-fighting capabilities. The 32 ounces bottle quickly tackles stubborn messes, from pet urine to ink and even blueberry stains. Activated oxygen works instantly to break down stains, and it's safe for use on a variety of surfaces, carpets, upholstery, laundry, and mattresses. A standout feature is its CRI certification, ensuring no residue or that unwanted crunchy carpet feeling. Free from chlorine and aerosols, this stain remover is non-toxic and safe for both pets and children. Priced just under $20, it offers excellent value for its versatility and effectiveness. If you have pets, kids, or a busy household, this stain remover is an essential addition to your cleaning routine. OXICLEAN Carpet and Area Rug Stain Remover Spray. Struggling with stubborn stains on your carpets or rugs? The OXICLEAN Carpet and Area Rug Stain Remover Spray is a reliable solution that delivers real results. Whether it's food spills, tracked in dirt, or pet messes, this powerful spray uses an oxygen-based formula to break down and lift stains from deep within the fibers. Unlike products that simply cover up odors and marks, this one targets the root of the problem. It's easy to use. Just spray the area, give it a moment to work, then block clean. The fresh scent it leaves behind is a pleasant touch, making your home smell as clean as it looks. The 24-ounce bottles in this 2-pack offer great coverage and longevity, making it a practical choice for busy households. If you want an affordable and hassle-free way to keep your carpets and rugs looking fresh, this spray is a solid pick. BIOKLEEN BAC-OUT Carpet Cleaner Spray. We put the BIOKLEEN BAC-OUT Carpet Cleaner Spray to the test on everything from pet messes to musty car seats, and it impressed us every time. Ready to use straight from the bottle, no fuss, no prep, this cleaner relies on live enzyme cultures to naturally break down stains and odors. It tackled food spills, pet accidents, and even funky trash cans with ease, all without leaving behind a harsh chemical scent. Instead, it offers a light, clean lime fragrance that feels fresh but never overwhelming. We loved how versatile it is, great on rugs, upholstery, laundry, and more. For around $30, the 32-ounce 2-pack gives solid value and dependable performance. Plus, it's a safer choice for homes with kids or pets since it's free from chlorine, ammonia, and phosphates. If you want a plant-powered cleaner that's simple to use and seriously effective, BAC-OUT is worth keeping within reach. Arm & Hammer Pet Stain and Odor Remover Plus OXICLEAN. Tired of persistent pet stains and stubborn odors? Arm & Hammer Pet Stain and Odor Remover Plus OXICLEAN is a powerful solution you'll want to try. By combining Arm & Hammer's odor-neutralizing baking soda with OXICLEAN's stain-busting formula, this spray effectively tackles even the toughest messes on carpets and upholstery. The 32 ounces bottle offers a convenient, easy-to-use spray that targets stains while eliminating odors in one step. It works fast to remove pet urine and other tough spots, leaving a fresh, clean scent without the harsh chemical smell. One bottle goes a long way, making it a great value for homes with pets. Safe and reliable, it works on various surfaces to ensure every corner of your home stays fresh. Priced around $10 to $12, this affordable cleaner is perfect for keeping your home smelling great and looking clean. BISSELL Tough Oxy Stain Pre-Treat Formula. BISSELL Tough Oxy is a powerhouse when it comes to pre-treating stains. Despite its simple appearance, the oxygen-based formula quickly tackles tough marks like coffee spills, makeup, and jelly, lifting them effortlessly. The 22 ounces bottle is lightweight and user-friendly, and it even works as a spot cleaner for quick fixes. We appreciate the fresh coffee scent, which isn't overpowering, and the biodegradable formula that ensures you're not using harsh chemicals on your rugs. Safe for carpets, area rugs, and upholstery, it's also pet-friendly when used as directed. A bonus? Every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation. You can grab a 2-pack for under $20, offering great value for a fast-acting, multi-surface stain remover that delivers results without hassle. If you need a reliable stain solution, this one's definitely worth considering. Goodbye, everyone. We hope this guide on the best carpet stain removers helped you find the perfect solution. Have you tried any of these products? Or do you have a go-to solution? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more useful tips. See you next time.